This is my review of the car magnet phone mount. It's attached with a adhesive that's pretty strong. It's small, so that you have an area here that's small you can stick it onto. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Swivels, you can angle it. Magnet is here and has a rubber over here so it doesn't slip when you mount the phone to it. It comes with two metal plates that you can put in the back of the phone if you want to, or back of the case. Stick it on like that. You can angle your phone around. This is good for when you not have a lot of room for a big amount that you don't want to put up on the dash or block your view and stuff. It can get into the space there because it's pretty small. So yeah, it works pretty good. When I'm driving, it doesn't bounce off. It's strong. The magnet is strong. Zoom out there a little bit. Okay. The magnet is pretty strong. I'll show you me going over a bump here. See, it doesn't fall off. Hope you enjoy.